Hey friends, if the calculator app is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the calculator app. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps. You'll find the calculator app here. Click on the three dots associated with it. Select advanced options. Scroll down. Click on terminate, click on repair to repair the app, click on reset and then click on reset once again. Now this should fix the problem for most of the users, but if it doesn't, then you can reinstall the calculator app. Click on uninstall and then click on uninstall once again. It will start uninstalling and it will need a while. After this, you can search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Then search for the calculator app. You'll find something called as Windows Calculator, which is by Microsoft Corporation. Click on Get. Okay. And in a while, it will reinstall the calculator app on your system, after which you will be able to use it normally. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.